Hello, and thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Ding King Training Institute. My name is Todd Sudek. I'm the president and founder of the Ding King Training Institute, and for the past 30 years, we've worked hard to earn the reputation as the #1 paintless dent repair and auto appearance school in the world. The Ding King is a family-operated company in business since 1993. We are a state-approved institution licensed by the BPPE, Texas Workforce Commission, as well as the Department of Veterans Affairs. My team of instructors and entire staff are committed to providing each of our students with an educational experience that includes quality hands-on training with industry certification. Each of our instructors are experts with a combined experience exceeding 100 years of not only performing the services, but teaching students the ins and outs of the trade. Veterans, entrepreneurs, detailers, body shops, and dealerships all count on us to deliver the most comprehensive training imaginable, and deliver quality training is exactly what we do. Your success is our success, and we're eager to provide you with the quality training and state-of-the-art tools and equipment you demand. We've worked diligently to earn our ranking as the #1 auto appearance school in the world and look forward to demonstrating to you why we're deserving of your business. Thanks again for your interest in the Ding King Training Institute. I'm always available if you'd like to speak personally, so please just reach out. Thanks again.